594. Return to page 594, and you'll notice that it's within its own section as well. So bacterial infection, yeah, just to show you, says there are actually different ways you can navigate it. Epilepsy and other seizure disorders is categorized according to conditions also. Yeah, but the quickest way to just find a book is to just go in the index, go to the page, and then if you see, so let's just look at flucloxacillin as an example. Yeah, so you have everything you need to know about prescribing flucloxacillin in that section. Indications and dose, and there could be different indications, and the dose could be different. Yeah, so you need to be particularly careful about that, because sometimes you might do a dose based on the wrong indication. But then even within there, this is not a child BNF. There is actually a separate children's BNF as well.
It's a
This is just the adult BNF, but it also has information in there for children as well. So